Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add the web into a favorite on Safari application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Safari application, and after that let's find out the web first by click into the search button, and you just need to type what things that you want to looking for example nail tag, and then you just need to go. And now you just need to find the articles that you want to read regarding to something that you want regarding to the nail technicians probably. And after you found the web, now you just need to take a look on this button features here, and then just click this middle part. And to save this web into the favorite, just need to slide your screen into the upper side, and you can see the here a add favorite, and then you just need to click it. And now you just need to click save. And to check it, into click into this bookmarks, go into the favorite, and you will got them. So that is the way how to save the web into the favorite. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.